guys doing? So today we'll go to a nice place, a beautiful place, and I have my Dio over here. So we'll go for a short ride. So that place is very beautiful. I will show you the sceneries from there, how it looks like from the hilltop. So we'll go there. I have all my things packed up. As you can see, I have sanitizer and some mask over there. So without wasting any time, let's just go there. So friends, we have finally reached. This is the place. This is the viewpoint. So this viewpoint is called Kargil viewpoint in Guwahati. So you can come with your friends, with your family to enjoy over here. You can get a beautiful sunset and you can enjoy the sunrise also over here. I'll try to show you. If you can see the entire Guwahati city from here on the banks of river Brahmaputra from here. And there is this peak over here which has an Indian flag, so you can see the Indian flag flying high over Guwahati city. So this is the entire place, entire viewpoint known as Kargil viewpoint in Guwahati. So it's a beautiful location, probably one of the best viewpoints in entire Guwahati. I would say this is the best viewpoint actually, and it was near to my house. I didn't know about this place much. So as you can see, we have the Brahmaputra river, beautiful Brahmaputra, the mighty Brahmaputra flowing just next to this wonderful city. And if you come to Guwahati, if you come to northeast Assam, you will really fall in love with this place. So as you can see, there's this hoarding which is put over here, and this is a army land, so there's no trespassing is allowed, and it's completely peaceful amid nature.